Buddy wants some? Buddy wants a mango? Come on. Come on then. Come on, buddy. You want some mango? Yummy. Echo likes the mango. Is Buddy gonna go have some mango? Way. Hey. Here. Step up. Step up here. Have some mango? Have a taste. Nice, isn't it? Oh! Yummy! Yummy! The yummy mango! Yummy Queensland Bowen mangoes! You're not too fussed about mango today? No? Because? Good boy! Echo likes it. Nice, Echo. Yummy. Do you want to have another try? See, it's nice. Yummy. Yeah. Yummy mango. Nice. Look at Echo. Look at. See, I told you it was nice, didn't I? Yummy. Yummy mango. Yeah. Yummy. Nice, isn't it? Come here, go. You want some more? Are you going to step on there? You want some more? Nice. Very nice. Good boy. Mwah, good boy. Good girl, Echo. You want some more? Yum. Good girl. You want to try some more? I know you put it all over me, haven't you? Do you want some more? So nice. You want somebody? No. No more for Buddy. No more? No more? Oh, very nice. Well done. Yeah. You drop it. Yeah, baby. Do you want it? Uh-oh. Alright, we're done with the mango then.